Hey, welcome to Easy Classes. If you are looking for a freelancing websites and if you want to sell your services online, then this is the right way for you. We are listing top most freelancing website here. So here we have listed 5 popular freelancing websites that help you to find your freelancing services. So let's start one by one. Before jumping to the tutorial, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the first website. That is Fiverr.com. This is the most popular freelancing website for you that we have listed in the first place. So go there and sign up as a freelancer. So once you sign up, go to the become a seller and post your gigs. So now immediately in the first day you will start receiving the job profiles in your account. The next popular website, that is Toptal.com. Go visit the Toptal.com and hit on the apply as a freelancer and create your free account. So once you sign up, you will start to receiving the freelancing jobs which your preferred niche on your account. So third most popular freelancing website is Zoobal.org. So go and visit that Zoobal, then you will find the active job profiles without sign up. So do you want to bid the freelancing jobs, then you have to log in or sign up. The fourth popular website that is for your freelancing services, that is Freelancer.com. Go there and sign up with your free account. So once you sign up, you are able to bid the job profiles and earn money. The fourth popular freelancing website is Upwork.com. So the Upwork is most demanding website and also leading in these days with the professional services and features. So you will grateful to the Upwork that will help you to find the freelancing jobs for you. So go there and sign up for free. Now the last website is Dribble.com. So in our list we have listed the Dribble.com in the 5th place because it is also leading and will help you to find more freelancing jobs for you. So go to the Dribble.com and find get freelancer work website. So click on that and sign up with this. But it's not free. You have to subscribe to the monthly basis or yearly basis. So this is our last priority that you can skip. So guys, the all freelancing website will charge you some commissions on your work services. So be aware of that and start earning money from the freelancing website. That's it guys. These are the top 5 freelancing websites that we have listed. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.